G'day guys, how you going? Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. Got the FLYWOO Heaxcopter here, 600 milliwatt VTX long ranger. Still waiting for my Li-On battery pack to come, should be here this afternoon I hope. With that Li-On pack, it's reported around 25 minutes of flight, which would be really cool. Anyway, we're going to fly it over the Quarry here. I'm not going to fail safe because the fail safe GPS return to home doesn't work, we are in trouble. If you want to know all about this cool little unit, check out my last videos. Plenty of information there in regards to setup, beta flight, construction, tech specs, all that sort of hoo-ha. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get up in the air over the Quarry and let's have a fly around. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Of course, we're just waiting for the satellites to hook up. I do have a throwaway Emax on here which I use to warm up the GPS so that we don't waste any of our flight battery on the GPS binding, on the GPS hooking up to its 6 satellites prior to takeoff. My standard kit, guys, the Radio Master TBS antenna, and not sure if you can see it, but I'm going to run the double luminaire right hand circular and a patch antenna for directional distance. These are a little bit better use for when you're going straight, but the only thing is you can't dip your head to the ground, otherwise you're going to lose reception real fast. Yeah, kookaburras are laughing at me. They must know something I don't know. Hooked up the flight battery, 5 satellites. We are good to go very shortly. I know I've set a takeoff with 6 satellites, however, it will allow you to take off with 5. I know that for a fact, even though you set better flight on 6. I've now found 8, so we are finally good to go. Okay, let's see how that patch antenna works. It's a little bit sketchy getting out of here. Okay, but we are now out. Make sure my head's sticking up in the air. Let's check return to home. It's a fairly decent cliff that I've got to climb down in case I don't land properly. Let's see if I can find home okay. They're saying rescue not available for some reason. That's interesting. I'm not too sure why it's saying that. It's going to be our landing spot just there. Okay, let's have a fly around. 84 meters from home. Should be okay, just to check where I'm standing. Make sure my patch is facing the right way. These patches are very directional, guys, so you do want to be careful about where you're looking, otherwise you're going to run into trouble. Nice bit of scenery here. I'd like to go a long way with this, however without my Li-On battery pack I'm certainly not going to. However, let's see how far we get out, guys. I'm hoping for a few hundred meters. There's 300 meters. Link quality 1 at 100, a little bit questionable. 207 meters. There's our battery looking pretty good. Make sure I stick my head up. Hopefully if I need to fail safe I will, and I'll certainly be really happy if I get around a kilometre away. That'll be really neat. Well, I'm not too sure about this patch, how we're going to go with it. 300 meters away. I think I'm a bit further than that. I do know when you spin it around you do lose some VTX, so I don't want to push it here. I'm more than happy to risk it slightly. RSSI, I'm more than happy to risk it, guys, but if I can't walk to rescue, I'm certainly not going to rely on the GPS to find its way home, as I haven't tested the GPS rescue on the Hexa yet. I'm a little bit concerned, I have to tell you the truth, because it just said GPS not available, so I'm not too sure why that is. See if we can't find home again. Where is home? And we're over here. I do have a TBS patch coming. I'm not too confident with this Real ACC. It's been okay, but it's certainly nothing to write home about, so I am fairly happy just playing it cautious, guys. Sorry. Be gentle with the thumbs down. I'm not really risking to lose this Heaxcopter just yet. Okay. Well, we are getting low on power now, so I will come back here with my TBS patch, guys, and see if we get an improvement. But like I said, I'm certainly not wanting to risk losing this unit because I can't rescue it because it's in a massive valley. Now I need to find somewhere to land before I run out of power. Let's find somewhere over here, shall we? Still lots of fun, guys, but I must admit the nerves are going a bit because I haven't actually seen that GPS not available screen before, so I'm not too sure what's going on there. I'm going to make a yeah, I'm afraid it's a long way down there, guys, and I was a little bit concerned about my Real ACC patch as to how far I can go. This thing I should be able to get at least a kilometre away without any drama here. I haven't flown here before. The city's down there, so I could get a fair bit of RFI from down there. Fly, I love it. I'll be back here again with a TBS patch, and I'm going to try and get up over there. Up on top of that hill. It's going to be my goal, about 1 kilometre away. Should be good. Thumbs up, comments. Thanks for lasting this long in the video. I'll see you next time. Catch you later on, guys. Bye for now.